I mean, look, don't get me wrong. I love my wife, but her stories suck. They take forever. There's no punchlines. She'll go off on a tangent that has nothing to do with the original story. It's the worst. It took her 2 minutes the other day to tell me that she went to Chick-fil-A and it was good. She came home all excited. Oh my God, I went to Chick-fil-A. It was so good. But first of all, let me tell you, I was in the car and I was driving and I was like, oh my God, I wanted to go to Chick-fil-A because I was so hungry because I've been on that diet. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. I deserve it. I've been so good to myself. And I saw a Chick-fil-A and I was like, oh my God, God wants me to have a Chick-fil-A. So I went ahead and I pulled into that Chick-fil-A, but it was closed. And I was like, oh my God, why is it closed? It's not Sunday. Because you know me, I always crave Chick-fil-A on Sundays and they're closed. And I don't know why I always crave Chick-fil-A on Sundays, but I do and they're always closed. But it wasn't Sunday, it was Saturday. And I was like, why are they closed? It was a new Chick-fil-A. It's not even open yet. So I was like, well, forget it. I guess I'm not going to have Chick-fil-A. So I got in the car and I was like, you know what? God does not want me to have Chick-fil-A. I'm going to go ahead and stick to my diet. And then I saw another Chick-fil-A and I was like, oh my God, God does want me to have Chick-fil-A. So I went ahead and pulled into that Chick-fil-A and the girl that was taking my order, oh my God, she had like the cutest little earrings. They were like little Christmas trees. And I was like, oh my God, where did you get those? And she said Hobby Lobby, but there's no way that she got them at Hobby Lobby because I was just at Hobby Lobby and they don't sell earrings at Hobby Lobby. I mean, maybe they sold her the stuff to make them. I mean, you can make them at Hobby Lobby, but she didn't buy them at Hobby Lobby. So anyway, it was good. My favorite part of my wife's stories is when she goes, so anyway, I'm like, yes, it's about to end. Finally, here comes the punchline.